you all doing? You're welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be making okra soup, just like okra stew plus plain okra together in one pot. So let's begin. These are the ingredients I'll be using: some bell pepper, onion, bomo, red oil, okra, some crayfish, ugu leaf, goat meat, bouillon cube, some salt, and stockfish, just little. So I will start by cooking the goat meat. This is me slicing the onion directly into the pot. I'm using pressure pot for this. I'm not supposed to use pressure pot to cook goat meat, but I'm not always lucky with getting a very soft goat meat. They will give me the mama instead of the papa. So I don't want to take chances, because over time, like, I've always had issues with getting my goat meat soft. So I want to go straight with this. Some salt. I just added some salt, bouillon cube, so I'll mix everything up and cook without water. I'm supposed to add water because I'm using pressure pot, but I just want to cook for like 5 minutes so that the taste will get into the final. Add water and cover it properly. So this is after like 5 minutes. So I added the stockfish, then I'm adding more water so that it will cook very well. I'll go ahead to cover with the pressure pot cover, the pop it like in a way that it will not even take more than 5 minutes for everything to.
While we're waiting for our meat to cook, I'm going to prep with the remaining ingredients. It doesn't really take time, so it's good to prep them everything you're going to be using. Cut your onion anyhow it works for you. For me, I cut anyhow. So this is how I slice mine. Okra, I don't like it that's bold in the soup. I also don't like it that's slimy, like, some do flavors, some blend. I don't like it that bold. Anytime I feel like, making slimy okra, what I do is, you see this stuff that's literally away, I don't throw it, I will like blend it. If I want to make slimy okra, blend it, it will now be like obono. That will be the main thing that will help the soup to draw.
So I've removed the meat from the stock, so I will add the omo to cook for like 5 minutes so that it will be tasty, because it's very soft. That's why I did not add it together with the meat and all that already. So the omo is cooking now. I'll go in with some onion in the pot, just hit it, and after like 2 minutes it's hot. I'm adding onion. Guys, onion is the basic thing, like, for okra soup. So that's why I'm using enough onion for this. I just went in with some salt. So just saute for like a minute or two. I added the blended bell pepper and scotch bonnet. Please be mindful of the quantity of pepper you add. Okra soup, some people, like, they said it purges them. And when you not add too much pepper, it will not be purging or purging. So I just added the goat meat. So I will mix everything inside the stew or the sauce. This is our fresh fish. We found our fresh fish. So stirring everything for it to blend. And then the stock from the stockfish, the pomo, and the goat meat. Okay. See, stockfish is really not necessary for okra soup. Like, you know, okra is a simple recipe. Like, you can do without it. I just added it, just a little for that little taste of stockfish. I adjusted the seasoning by adding more seasoning cube, little more salt. Now I'll cover. So at this point, it is ready to accept our okra. For this okra to remain fresh, please don't just waste time. Once you add your okra, add your vegetable. You can use oziza leaf, you can use just ugu, or you can do the combination. You can even use scent leaf for okra soup, anyone that you choose to use. As you just added the okra, don't cover the pot, do it for allow you to cook for 2-3 minutes before you come back to add your leaf or your vegetable. So I noticed mine. See, I just added a little water to loosen it up. So I just added. See, I didn't cover like you can see. It was only that water that delayed me. So I'm adding the ugu immediately. So I'll mix everything properly and then cover for like a minute. It needs to be fresh. It has to be greening. Guys, our soup is ready. Can you see how everything is looking fresh? If not for the bell peppers I use, you will just see green everywhere. This is if you enjoy eating plain okra and stew, guys, you would love this one. So please make sure you subscribe. First of all, give this video a thumbs up. Then subscribe if you're new here and drop a comment for me. Can still share my video. It's not a sin if you share this video to your friends and family. Thank you so much for sticking through to the end. I love you.